Hey, welcome to day 3. Today is Tail of the Dragon. Gonna drive the Tail of the Dragon all the way down around to Robbinsville and then back up and just do a big loop. I am gonna do some amateur radio stuff today. Gonna do a POTA, Parks on the Air at Fontana Dam, so gonna go there. And there's like another dam that was in the Fugitive. I can't remember what it's called, but anyway, Fugitive was one of my favorite movies growing up, so I'm gonna stop by there, and then anything else along the route. So, Tail of the Dragon is coming up. We are currently in Martinsville, and we've got about, 45 minutes until we get to the start of the Dragon. Anyway, here we go, Tail of the Dragon.
Deals Gap is a popular destination for motorcycle and sport car enthusiasts, as it is along a stretch of 2-lane road known since 1981 as the Tail of the Dragon, often shortened to simply the Dragon. The 11-mile stretch of the Dragon in Tennessee is said to have 318 curves. Some of the Dragon's sharpest curves have names like Copperhead Corner, Hogpen Bend, and Wheelie Hell. The road earned its name from its curves said to resemble a dragon. This stretch of road was fun to drive in the morning, and there wasn't much traffic. At many points during the drive, there were pullouts to let faster vehicles pass. There are also photographers along the route taking pictures. You can look through their website and purchase photos of your motorcycle or vehicle driving the Dragon. Halfway down, you can stop and grab a drink and a bite to eat at a couple of the biker bars and gift shop. This is the tree of shame, all the parts that have fallen off of cars and motorcycles on the Dragon. Police were everywhere patrolling the Dragon. There were statues all over the place. This was a really cool statue made out of metal and tin. One of the many bars along the trail. And I had a big fat burger, onion rings, and some cheerwine.
That was Tail of the Dragon, 318 curves in 11 miles. It wasn't that bad. Actually, there was not a lot of traffic. I mean, I probably only saw, a couple dozen of motorcycles. There it goes up there. And, I saw more cars than motorcycles. It is, you can easily drive this in a car. I was worried about, a lot of things, but not really worried. You can drive this in a regular car. You'll be fine. It is no issue whatsoever. Pixie, what do you think about Tail of the Dragon? Anyway, now on to Fontana Dam. I think that road might be as curvy as the Dragon. Just got done eating here at Neil's Gap at one of the local restaurants here, and got some cheerwine. Stuff is not bad. It kind of tastes like Sundrop and black cherry soda mixed together, so might have to pick me up some cheerwine on the way back. But yeah, here we go on to Fontana Dam. Let's go.
Fontana Dam was built in the early 1940s to help with the electricity demands of the Tennessee Valley to help support the aluminum industry during World War II. At 480 feet and 2,300 feet long, it produces 290 megawatts of electricity. It was the tallest dam in the eastern United States at the time of construction, and it was the fourth highest dam in the world. It has a small visitor center with info about the dam, and the Appalachian Trail runs over the dam as a frequent stop for hikers.
All right, just got done doing some amateur radio, POTA, here at the Fontana Dam. Thing is impressive. It is huge. I'm not really sure how big it is, 400 and some odd feet, but yeah, it is 3:30, and we're like 2.5 hours away from camp. We got to get going. We're gonna head south through Robbinsville and then come back up, and yeah, ready picks. Let's go. Here at the Chiaha Dam, I think that's how you say it. This is where The Fugitive was filmed. It's where I think it was Dr. Kimball, Harrison Ford, jumped off that dam, landed in the water, and swam that way. Maybe I'll put a clip in here of The Fugitive. But anyway, little trivia from the old movies. You know, that's it. Doesn't look like, I don't know if this is, maybe it's still producing electricity. Yeah, I see water coming out down there. Way down there. So I guess it's still producing electricity. But anyway, it's the Fugitive Dam. Back to regularly scheduled programming here. Well, we're going through another thunderstorm as we get back to the trailer. Man, that was wicked. So it's going to be interesting to see how the trailer fared this one. All right, we're here. Yep, the trailer survived.
Take the next left, then you will arrive at your destination.
So I noticed that some rain got into the fridge box here. You can see where it made that discoloration. I just sopped it all up. But trying to figure out where it's coming from, and see that there's a line up there where the rain came in and then it dripped down. Here's the culprit right here. So what I need to do is I need to probably put a bead of silicone along this top here to make sure that whenever the rain comes this way, it doesn't leak into the top and then get down into the bottom of the bed, or I'm sorry, the fridge box. So put that on my to-do list. Bead of silicone along that top. I have basically set everything up so I'm ready to go tomorrow. I hooked the trailer up. I'm going to take down this awning. I've done everything around the site. It's about 11 o'clock tonight, and I'm tired, and it was a long day. I'm going to tear down the awning, and tomorrow morning the only thing that I need to do is literally get up, take a shower, let Pixie go to the bathroom, and we're out, because it's supposed to rain all morning tomorrow. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set you guys up and see if you guys can laugh at me while I put this wet awning up. So here we go.